Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe. As you all know, I love doing simple recipes. You're doing condensed milk toffee, but we've added a little bit of chocolate at the end. Okay, so you need to come along with me. All right. This is condensed milk. We normally do this in Ghana a lot. Condensed milk toffee is very easy to do and it's so good, it's so delicious, so you have to try the recipe. Okay, so I have some condensed milk in the pan here. So what I'm going to add, I want to add just about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I just like the more vanilla extract in it, and also I need to add just half of a teaspoon of nutmeg. All right, and also I am adding some butter, making nice and shiny and tastes really delicious. Okay, so that's what I have here. So I'm going to just light the stove, and it has to be a medium heat. Okay, so if it's full heat, it burns very quickly. Okay, so all that you need to do is to just stir it. All right, so that's all you're doing now. We'll stir it along. All right, so just come along with me. All right, you'll love it. Guys, as you can see here, it's changing color. Okay, I'm going for really a specific color, really light brown, but not only the color that you can use to determine what the color will show you actually what texture you like. I like it chewy, so the more browner it is, the more harder it becomes. So what you can use water, and then when you put some in water, and then that will bring it to a normal temperature, and then you can really get the texture of the toffee. So what I have here, I have some cold water. So this is what came out to be. Okay, so I'll wait for a little bit. So I like a bit chewy. I'll allow it to brown a little bit, and then I'll check it again. Right guys, I've checked it and this is how I like it. Okay, so I'm done with this. So I put some parchment paper in the container. I'm pouring it in. So what I'm going to do here, this is my chocolate chip. So I'm going to put the chocolate chip on. So what it's going to do actually here is that the heat is going to melt it nicely, and then we'll spread it over the toffee. I love chocolate, sorry. I put lots of chocolate on it. I just love chocolate. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cover it so that the heat will be trapped in. So guys, this is our condensed milk toffee with chocolate on top. It tastes really delicious. Okay, it's lovely, as you can see here. So you have the condensed milk and the chocolate at the top. It's really good, and it's very easy to do. So I put them into an airtight container. Okay, so you can see here. So you can put that into an airtight container, and it can last for about 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, when you see that it's becoming a bit pale, then it means that it's going off. So but this one won't last long. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please do give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.